Okay, so Rich has volunteered to eat some natto. I think it's the right kind of natto. We'll find out.
I have never seen it before. Apparently, this is an easy to open container. Oh, here it comes. Oh, how nice. Little soy sauce.
Oh god, it looks like it. Okay.
And it's in a sealed container. I wonder why
For
it's sealed.
a reason.
Oh, look.
Ah, god.
Now, the smell hasn't hit me, so I'm gonna try to taste it and just try to live the experience with my American palate. Really, there's strands here. Okay, well, luckily it's the nice little wind. I don't have any smell coming from it. Here I go, fermented soybeans. Take one. Okay, wait. I just have to remove all preconceptions.
Oh shit, you're one of the guys that actually doesn't mind it.
No, it's interesting. It's almost like chewing on coffee beans, but soft. Like soft. It tastes like coffee.
Huh.
And then a slightly stronger finish, but really, it just really reminds me of coffee.
I just want to sniff it.
Sure.
Huh. I guess you're just one of the people that doesn't have a problem with it. Damn it.
Is this natto?
I think it is.
I mean, just like I'm not the type of person who would eat coffee grounds for the taste, and I actually only seldom eat coffee, so it's okay, but it's not like projectile vomiting.
I don't know. I mean, we could get a different brand from the store. I know that that's a type of natto, but I don't know for sure. I mean, it looks like what I remember it looking like.
Yeah, I mean...
But the last time I tried it, I was 18.
It is disturbing looking, but it just tastes like coffee.
Hmm.